Hi, welcome to RedTrack Unlock onboarding videos. In this brief video, we'll check how to create tracking templates for your web store using one of the ad network templates you have created before. Go to your RedTrack Unlock account, go to campaigns. As you can see, we have some of the campaigns here available, even one for the TikTok, but let's do another one for TikTok. So click New. Select your ad network that you have added already. Select your custom tracking domain. Select your website, and then let's do the name TikTok for Shopify demo store. That's it. You can click Save. As soon as you click Save, your tracking parameters will be generated. They will be under UTM tracking parameters, and you do the same sequence for all your ad networks: Facebook, Google, and TikTok. Please note that by default, RedTrack Unlock will create your campaign for unattributed traffic. That's basically a campaign without specialized tracking parameters. How to analyze the data between your paid channels and attributed traffic we will cover in separate videos. Thank you for watching. This was RedTrack Unlock onboarding videos, and we checked how to add tracking templates for one of the traffic channels you're using to promote your web store.